Shugor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kesenjuk seng samla shnong haringkat ke jinge Trei lang bat ke Rotary Club Shlong Heritage kala ken mau Burom kerpang ni ki samla ki balawan raknam bat Burom ni ke jilla badru ya ki bat Trei mon ngobha hala ki jong ki kam lakadai ke balong volunteer ban penyat kali ne haka kam thok kam tar badru haki kam yelek kai kini ki kinhon kila Pynkup Burom ya arful laingut ke Khusnam ya kapala ai kerteng kum ke Sharak rit awon haba keren ne ka sngi ne kalyong chairman ke senjuk seng samla shnong uba penshai bok lang ding do ula pen pau ya jing sngo kemen ba de jinge Trei lang kila la ban penlong ya ke program ban ai men sem ji samla ki ba Trei Shitom halaki jong ki kam hagani ke janmit ne kalyang ke senjuk ki seng samla shnong but ke Rotary Club Shlong Heritage kila ai men sem ni ki to ki beduna de khotmet kiba hala ijong ibor kila Trei bat no senyang syaki imlang kasalang syaki to kiba Trei mon ngobha daga ba penyat kali bat kiwei syusyo na kalyang uniu nongelam ula kinturu ya kiba Trei klem ken randin bakindang yai keo syaprang hakikam bakile bat bandang Trei Shitom bat ru bakin pentebit syusyo ya kasap kapong kabakidon.
Thank you. Don't be sad.
Read out her tremendous ability and contribution. Despite being specially abled, she is the recipient of the Sabala organizational and problem-solving skills. She's always willing to go above and beyond her work, consistently delivering high-quality results in a timely and efficient manner. Please put your hands together for medals, senior category, bronze medals, youth category at the national level, representing the nation at Kazakhstan. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together. Of sportsmanship, he set a record for walking the maximum distance in a single day, 33 minutes, from Moyong Rim to Soringkam, back to Maolong Rim, and from Maolong Rim to Saiden. Please complete the Goa School Games Delhi, Khelo India Assam, Junior National East Zone National Championship. She's received many awards and has participated in hands together once again. Frank Yamaha. Many art lovers around the state. He is also a famous songwriter and has proved to be a person of integrity and remarkable courage. He awards the 6 selected players from Meghalaya. Under his well-equipped boxing hall, many boxers have benefited, but some of them have gone on to represent wellness hub in this region. It pioneered features like indoor heat for more than 3 years.
To the Rotary Club Shlong Heritage for choosing us to walk or join hands together to make this program a grand, successful and memorable one. The Rotary Club had put all efforts to make this day to motivate all our youth to come forward for all their talents and hard work. This type of award program will really inspire our youth to reach their goal. There's a quote saying, I want to let you all know that how important today is. Your now is to work hard, play hard, don't be bound by rule, don't hurt anybody, never grow up, and never ever live somebody else's dream. Remember how many times you go wrong, no matter how many times you fail. Despair feel like this world is against you. At the end, everything is going to be all right. God bless you all. So I spoke in Kasi. Ngamla kamla ay kublay yaki paran ng kitkam. Igisinjuk sang samasnong. Baya ki awadis baro ki badan hangi nakisnong ki prepare. Tublay indon kapapi. Bapelong ikan di program kapaya baik nanti kabacap. Bat undang yang kerkulang yang ihi baro. Syampang sulur sakri syaplang besyur.